Eat dessert every single night and you're still going to get lean. If you're new here, I'm Neil John Thomas. I'm a 38-year-old retired bodybuilder, and I help men over 30 get into the best shape of their lives, get to 10% body fat with as minimal effort as possible. That is the whole goal of this channel. I don't want you guys to suffer. I want you to live your lives while still being happy, while still training, not having to do endless cardio, but loving how you look in the mirror and loving how you feel. That is so important. All right, so this whole video, we're talking about dessert, the sweet tooth that everyone has. I have a huge sweet tooth. I eat dessert every single night. All my clients eat dessert every single night. So the issue I find with people that don't understand that they can have dessert every single night is because they're worrying about the rest of their day. So when you don't eat what you want throughout the day, most people end up thinking about, oh, I'm gonna pull calories out during the day so that I can eat my dessert at night. I get to have my Ben & Jerry's or whatever it is. The problem again with that, talk about this all the time on this channel, is you have a bad relationship with food. You're saying these things are good, this thing is bad. By eating the good foods through the day and lowering the calories, I get to have this bad thing. That is a restriction mindset. You will never have a good relationship with food, and you are gonna suffer for the rest of your life. I do not teach that nonsense on this channel. What I teach is macrolation, AKA macro manipulation. Learn how to recreate all your favorite foods, high in protein, low in fat, so that you can enjoy your life. There is no restriction. If you want to try the recipes, the link is in my bio. There's about 20 recipes on there right now. I add 2 to 3 new recipes every single week. They're all 450 to 650 calories, 40 to 50 grams of protein. There's donuts on there. There's cheesecake. There's Pop-Tart bowls. There's Oreo stuff. There's all kinds of amazing things on there you can eat every single day for the rest of your life and get to 10% body fat. So if we switch how people normally think about dessert, again, we macro manipulate it. You eat all your favorite foods throughout the day. So you're never even thinking about dessert. The end of the day comes and you get to just have dessert. It's not like, oh, I had to pull away calories here, or I didn't do cardio today, so I don't get my dessert. No, you get your dessert every night. If you know how to remake your favorite desserts, you can have dessert every single night. And see, ending the day with dessert kills cravings and is going to keep you consistent long term. If you see yourself losing weight and you eat dessert, recreate it every single night, you are going to create a new relationship with food. Things are going to start reorganizing in your brain. Your brain chemistry is actually going to change because your program that you've been taught to believe is that desserts are bad, can't have tons of sugar, can't have crazy high calories, or I'll gain weight. But once you recreate all your favorite meals, if you do I love the Ninja Creamy ice creams. Sometimes I do like the Halo Top versions where there's like a caramel swirl or chocolate chips in it, whatever. Sometimes I make Ninja Creamies that are Ben & Jerry style. They're about 450 calories, but you're getting 40, 45 grams of protein. Like, you can literally remake any dessert you can possibly think of, and it will feel like the same experience as if you were to eat the real thing, but drastically lower calories and drastically higher protein. And again, what's going to happen is you are literally going to rewire your brain and how it thinks about food. You're gonna see that, oh, I'm eating ice cream every single day for the past 3 months and I've lost 15 pounds of body fat. When that happens, you are gonna realize that this works with every single food you think of. If you're losing weight eating desserts every night, well, why can't you remake all your favorite meals throughout the day and lose weight? So not only are you eating dessert every night, maybe you're having pancakes, chocolate chip banana pancakes, which is my go-to. I eat that 4 times a week, sometimes every day, let's be honest. Or I do French toast sticks, regular French toast, or Oreo French toast, so good. I do that every single day. And then for lunch, maybe it's tacos. Maybe it's, this week I did meatball subs, 3 lunches in a row. So every single meal, once you start recalibrating how your brain thinks about food and you create a loving relationship with all foods and you see that you're losing weight, your brain is going to be like, oh, we can actually eat all our favorite foods all day long and still have dessert every day and be lean for the rest of our lives. That is the whole goal of this channel that I want you guys to understand. You need to create a good relationship with all foods, not lettuce and kale, good. Oreos, Pop-Tarts, bad. Egg whites, oatmeal, good. Ice cream, pizza, bad. No. Moving forward, we need to stick this in the butt right now. Stick this in the butt. We need to figure this out right now so that the rest of your life, if you got 20, 30, 40, 50, 60 years left on this planet, you're not thinking that way. Because what's going to happen is if you think about that methodology that I just explained, how the rest of the world thinks, you will be suffering forever. You will be living in restriction. You will never be able to maintain 10% body fat for life. And for the few that can do it, they will be miserable. I have never met anyone that only eats whole food, chicken and rice, egg whites and oatmeal for years and years and decades every single day and is lean and is like, yeah, my life is awesome. I'm so happy. I don't need to drink alcohol. I don't need to go out and have a burger. I don't need to have pizza. I don't need to have ice cream. No one ever. Let me know in the comments, what is your favorite dessert? Have you gotten into the Ninja Creamy game? Let me know what your favorite Ninja Creamy recipe is. So if you guys haven't already, download that free ebook, try out some of the recipes. Also look at other YouTubers. There is literally thousands of other YouTubers recreating all these meals. There's like literally probably 10,000 different Ninja Creamy recipes for free on YouTube. Buy a Ninja Creamy, it's $200. Eat ice cream every single day. It actually costs less than if you were to go buy healthy ice cream. A Halo Top in Florida is like $6.79, so it's like $7. If you bought a Ninja Creamy for $200 and you bought the ingredients, it would end up costing you under $2, about $1.90 to recreate an ice cream every single day for 365 days. Ice cream every day for 365 days, less than $2. So if it's price, there's your incentive to just go out and do it. Guys, there's some days that I can eat 2 to 3 Ninja Creamies and I still will maintain my less than 10% body fat. You can literally eat all your favorite foods. One Ben & Jerry's ice cream is 1,200 to 1,500 calories. You could literally make a Ninja Creamy version, not a Ben & Jerry's version with like tons of Twix or Oreos in it, but still a delicious ice cream that has the same texture as ice cream, like tastes amazing, super sweet. You could literally make a 250 calorie pint of ice cream with 30 grams of protein. That means you could eat 5 pints of ice cream for the same Ben & Jerry's, but you actually would not be able to even do that because the protein is so high. So if you were to eat 5 and we have 30 grams of protein, that's 150 grams of protein in ice cream. So you couldn't even do it if you wanted to. You would explode. That's my point. With all these meals, guys, I give you like to check out in the ebook, they're all 40 to 50 grams of protein. You're gonna feel full. You're gonna get your 150 to 200 grams of protein every single day. You don't have to worry that you're not gonna get the protein you need by having dessert every night. You get your dessert, but you anchor the protein to it. Like for example, one of the recipes is the donut recipe. Those are 110 calories, 13 grams of protein. They taste amazing, but I literally can only eat 3 of them. So that ends up being 330 calories and 42 grams of protein. Like that's a lot. Like I'm stuffed. Literally 3 donuts stuffs me. If I was to do the same method that most people do, and they're like, I want to have a Krispy Kreme donut. Does anyone ever just have one Krispy Kreme donut? No, they don't. Again, no one has moderation nowadays. You eat 6 to 8 Krispy Kreme donuts and you literally can push them into a ball and shove it in your mouth in one bite. Right there, 6 of those donuts, you're talking 1,500 to 2,000 calories and you still don't feel full because there's literally only 1 or 2 grams of protein in it. So that's the trick. With desserts, guys, you want to remake it, get some protein in it, then you will feel satisfied, you kill your cravings, and you're gonna stay consistent long term. So I hope you guys enjoyed that video. Please like and subscribe. Let's get this out to as many men as possible that need to hear the truth about desserts and eating your favorite foods. It's not a once a week thing. It's not a once a month thing. There's no such thing as a cheat meal. I don't even think about cheat meals. You are making cheat-like meals every single day for every single meal. Therefore, you never have the craving to go out and have the real thing because you're actually eating it every single day. So enjoy the day, guys. Go eat your desserts. Try some of the recipes. Try the Biscoff cheesecake. That's absolutely amazing. I think it's like 170 calories with 23 grams of protein. Those are crazy macros. But I believe in every single one of you. You can eat your desserts, get to 10% body fat, and love your life and not worry about anything else. Take care, guys.